Hello, Peace Weapon here. This time I bring you another TESA. This one is a T80. T80 has more or less the same pinning than the T60, with the exception has two extra pins opposite to the Bible. So let's try and pick it. So I'm using this thick tensioner and let's see. Yeah, here you go. Bit sudden. It was the sixth pin that was missing. Yeah, sorry I didn't speak much, but I was concentrated on the feedback. The only time that I picked this one before, it had to be with a hook because I couldn't reach the pins on the other side, on this side of the plug, between the main row of pins. So I was now attempting to use the flags, and I got it. So now that we got it open, let's cut it. So here we go. Lock needs a little bit of cleaning. But it was working very well. So the same way the T60 was easily overset, this one was also, has these serrations and this beveling on top of the key pins. And let me see if there's anyone that doesn't have. Sometimes there's some that don't have it, but no, it appears that all of them have the same serration. Only the opposing pins don't have it. Have this little bevel. And the driver pins are similar to the ones on T60. These serrated tapered pins. As you can see on this one, the pins on the opposing side are offset from those on the main row, so I had to try and to pick them between the rows on the other side, here and here. There's another model of TESA that doesn't do that, has opposing pins right on top of the main stack, so on the main stacks, so some of them are overset. I will hopefully be able to pick it and show you, but for now this is TESA T80. Very tricky lock, slightly harder to pick than the TESA T60, mostly because of pick placement, because these opposing pins are not that difficult to pick, but still I would consider them a notch above. And hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.